Hey everyone, my name is Fred and I work at Inbox Army as a senior account manager. If you're looking to optimize your email marketing strategy and boost your engagement rates, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up your email list in Klaviyo to ensure you're only sending emails to people who are actually interested. Let's dive in. First step in cleaning up your email list is identifying those inactive subscribers. These are the people who haven't opened or clicked on your emails in a while. To do this, we're going to create an unengaged segment in Klaviyo. Start with logging into Klaviyo account, go to Lists and Segments, and click on Create New Segment. This will be a dynamic segment. Now, you'll have to first name your segment. I'm going to name it Unengaged Segment. You can always change the name in a later time. Totally your choice, whatever name you want to keep it. Now, after setting up the name, I'll set up the conditions. First condition you want to set up is if someone can or cannot receive marketing. What that means, if that person can receive email marketing. That's the first condition we want to keep in there. Now, the condition under and option will be adding. Second condition will be what someone has done or not done. This means the person has. Now, in the list of choices, we'll choose received, right? This means person has received email at least once in last. Now, this time frame, you can update it as per your requirement. It's recommended by Klaviyo to keep it at least 180 days, right? In the last 180 days, person has received at least once an email from you, right? You can keep it 30 days, 50 days, 60 days, 90 days, right? Second, after that, another condition we want to add in and option will be, again, a similar one, what someone has done or not done. The condition will be, person has opened an email in at least once in all of your time. That will be the condition we want to keep in there. After that, similar condition, click on and choose the option what someone has done or not done. Options here will be clicked, right? At least once in all of your time. Now, these are the conditions we want to keep in there. Let me go again to these conditions, starting with the first condition. If someone can or cannot receive marketing meaning your email marketing, your emails. After that, the person has received at least once in last 180 days. Any email that the person has received in last 180 days and has opened at least once that email and has clicked at least once. Once you set up these conditions, click on Create Segment and it will start populating the results and give you the stats of that segment and show you how many people matched those conditions. Now, this segment will help you focus on those who need a little extra attention. You can set up a re-engagement campaign for them in future so they can re-engage. By that, it means you can have a specialized email created for them, a campaign for them, and you can target them separately, providing maybe sort of like a small discount, special discount, right? You can suppress this segment in your regular campaigns, right? That will help you to boost your engagement rates and you'll be only focusing on the engaged segment, right? The people who actually open your email regularly, you'll be only emailing to them by suppressing this segment, right? Or you can simply delete them, right? Suppressing them means they won't receive any more emails, but will remain in your database of your contacts. While deleting them will remove them completely. It's up to you based on your strategy, how you want to manage your list. Please note that if you suppress them, you won't be billed for them. By doing this, you'll improve your deliverability and avoid any potential issues with email service providers. That's pretty much it. By following these steps, you'll keep your Klaviyo email list clean and engaged, ensuring your campaigns are reaching the right people. If you find this found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.